Hey everyone, my name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. If you like this content, please subscribe. Click the thumbs up button, please. What we have here is the HUI to gold ratio. I'll go over what the HUI is. I'm going to go over some ratio charts. There's some things that we need to happen in order for gold stocks to still outperform gold. Hopefully that's the case, and I'll show you in this video presentation what's going on. So I call this the HUI to gold price, which is a ratio. The gold to HUI ratio, or HUI to gold ratio, this indicates that the gold stocks will outperform gold itself when that ratio is going higher. When it's going lower, it means that gold is outperforming the HUI ratio. It means our leverage bets are working to gain purchasing power against gold. Sometimes gold outperforms the gold stocks, even in an up market for gold. We want to see gold stocks outperform, otherwise we should just buy the metal and get better performance. Another thing to keep in mind is that royalty companies, they typically do much better than the mining companies and do not apply to these charts that I'm showing you. And that's why I hold a lot of royalty companies. The New York Stock Exchange ARCA Gold Bugs Index, that's what the HUI is a modified equal dollar-weighted index of companies involved in gold mining. BUGS stands for Basket of Unhedged Gold Stocks. It is also referred to by its ticker symbol HUI. The HUI index and Philadelphia Gold and Silver Index are the two most watched gold indices on the market. So this is the ratio here, and someone had charted this out. You've got gold stock bull here. You can see those gold stock bulls. And these are gold stock bull market, not gold. The gold, so we've got, this is the HUI going up and down with the red, the green, the red, and hopefully what's coming. This is the gold price overlaid right here, roughly. And if you notice, there's times where gold outperforms the HUI, and that's why the HUI drops. We had a rising gold price, but the HUI dropped here. This was in 08 and 09. And we had a bull market from roughly 2000 to 2011. And you can see the HUI did very good in the beginning of that bull market, but then drastically underperformed from 2004 and on. It underperformed all the way down. Gold fell at 2011, and now we're increasing again, and the HUI started to kind of increase here. This person's thinking that it's the second chance of a century for gold stocks when gold entry at 2,000 to 2,300, and that they're going to rocket higher. Maybe that's the case, maybe not. So let's look at real time what the HUI to gold ratio looks like. Looks like it broke its downtrend in 2019 and it was going in an uptrend. Here, this was that big COVID sell-off here. But what we're looking at is we've got this down pattern. It looks like it broke to the downside and is breaking this lower pattern. We need this to come back higher if we want gold stocks to outperform gold. This is something that we need to monitor and watch, because it's hanging out below it right now, and that's not good. We need gold to go higher, and we need these stocks to go higher. The stocks themselves don't look too bad. So it's still okay. It's just something that we need to monitor. And the conclusion here is sometimes the price of gold outperform the price of gold stocks. And in my opinion, then you just buy gold itself. Why would you buy the gold stocks? And over time, we've had problems where gold stocks have underperformed gold in bull markets. And it's important, and this is one of the reasons why I hold so much physical gold, because I don't want to have the gold stocks underperform the price of gold during a gold bull market. Royalty companies provide good leverage to the price of gold without that risk. So I'm a big bull on royalty companies, more so than I am on the mining stocks. And I'm sure if you guys have watched my videos, you can probably tell that. We want to see this ratio go back up into the channel. Otherwise, the risk of gold mining stock underperformance to gold is there. We need that ratio to turn around and outperform gold. And we'll have to monitor that and see if that happens. Obviously, I don't have a crystal ball. Hopefully that happens. I do have some gold and silver mining stocks. I'm going to continue to hold them. I'm not going to sell because of this ratio, but it's something to monitor. and watch, because I don't own that much in those companies. I am loaded up in the physical stuff, and I'm sure watching my videos, I continue to preach physical, 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 because you don't have to worry about any of this garbage. It's a direct play, it's the lowest risk play, and that's what I prefer when things are ridiculously cheap. I like to pick those up when they're cheap and just put them in the bank, so to speak. I'm my own reserve bank. Hopefully this provides you some value. We'll continue to monitor these ratios when I go over ratio charts in weekly updates. So hold on tight. If you guys are sitting on some gold and silver miners, just hold on to them. We got to look and see what this thing does. And I'm looking for hopefully a price move shortly. Hopefully. We haven't seen the buyers step in yet. So fingers crossed. Let's hopefully they step up and they start buying. This is Finding Value. If you like this content, please subscribe and click the thumbs up button. Thank you.